back to CGH News, where ancient wisdom meets modern awareness. Have you ever wondered why some people rarely get sick while others seem to catch every illness that comes their way? Your immune system is your body's first and last line of defense. But here's the truth. Most people's immune systems are under attack every single day. From processed foods, environmental toxins, and chronic stress to the very air we breathe, modern life is filled with things that weaken immunity. But here's the good news. Nature has always provided solutions. For thousands of years, herbalists, shamans, and holistic practitioners have turned to powerful plant allies to fortify the body, cleanse toxins, and restore balance. And today, we're revealing 7 of the most powerful immune boosting herbs. Herbs that you can find right now at cedargroveherbs.com. But before we dive into the list, let's take a step back. The immune system isn't just about fighting off colds and flu. It's your body's spiritual and physical defense network, a highly intelligent system that works 24/7 to detect and neutralize invaders like bacteria, viruses, and toxins. Here's where things get interesting. Your immunity isn't just about your white blood cells. It's affected by your gut, your stress levels, your energy flow, and even the foods that you eat. In holistic traditions like African herbalism, Ayurveda, and traditional Chinese medicine, immunity isn't something you boost like a quick fix. It's something that you nourish and strengthen over time. But in today's world, the modern lifestyle is constantly working against us. Toxic processed foods destroy gut bacteria, weakening our immune response. Environmental pollutants overload the body with synthetic chemicals. And chronic stress, as well as poor sleep, these things create inflammation that suppress immunity. So the question is, how do we fight back? The answer lies in the wisdom of nature's most powerful immune enhancing herbs. Let's explore 7 powerhouse plants that have been used for generations to restore balance, protect the body, and enhance resilience. These aren't just immune boosters. Each herb has unique properties that help the body cleanse, protect, and fortify itself naturally. Let's start with a powerhouse from traditional Chinese medicine. Astragalus, the deep immune strengthener. Astragalus is a powerful adaptogen that helps the body resist stress while activating immune defenses. It increases white blood cell production, your body's natural army against invaders. It's been used for centuries in Chinese medicine to improve resilience against illness, and it's perfect for long term immune strengthening, not just quick fixes. Echinacea, the cold and flu fighter. This Native American herb has been used for generations to fight infections. It activates immune cells, helping your body fight off pathogens faster, and it's best used at the first sign of sickness to cut down the duration of cold and flus. Elderberry, the antiviral superfruit. Elderberries aren't just delicious, they're immune system gold. Studies show that elderberry syrup can shorten flu symptoms and fight respiratory infections. It contains potent antioxidants that protect immune cells from damage, and it's one of the best herbs for seasonal immune support. Licorice root, the antiviral and gut protector. Did you know 80% of your immune system lives in your gut? Licorice root supports both digestive health and immune function. It soothes inflammation in the gut lining, preventing immune dysfunction. It contains glycyrrhizin, a natural antiviral compound, and it helps balance the stress response, preventing immune suppression. Next up is turmeric, the anti-inflammatory powerhouse. Chronic inflammation weakens immunity, and that's where turmeric comes in. Curcumin, its active compound, reduces inflammation and supports immune balance. It works best when combined with black pepper for enhanced absorption. Harataki, the detoxifying immune booster. Harataki is known as the king of medicines in Ayurveda, and for good reason. It detoxifies the body, removing immune suppressing toxins. It strengthens gut health, which is crucial for a strong immune system, and it's rich in vitamin C, an essential vitamin for immune function. Angelica root, the respiratory and circulatory support. Last but not least, angelica root is an herb that supports both immune strength and respiratory health. It helps clear congestion, keeping the lungs strong. It boosts circulation, ensuring that immune cells reach every part of the body. And it enhances recovery from illness, a must have for winter months. These seven powerful herbs have been used for centuries to fortify the body's natural defenses. Which of these herbs have you tried? Do you have a go to remedy for immune support? Leave a comment below and let's share our knowledge as a community. Want to get these herbs for yourself? Visit cedargroveherbs.com and explore our full collection. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to CGH News for more holistic health insights. Wholeness and balance.